This is a SpiroPure SP478 filter that I use from my water maker. It's a 5-micron filter, and I'm just going to show you how I replace it. There we go. That's the one. There we go. It's that way. Good. Now water's going to come out of it. Let me just clean this up. Kind of has to sit the right way. There we go. There's some waters in there. And this is an activated charcoal filter. That's another filter, which I'm not taking out. Get rid of this. So that's the installation, and it's all set. And now I just have to bleed the system a little bit, get the air out of that filter assembly. And then my water maker will be protected from small little particles by that filter. Yay!
Grab the links below and remember to hit that subscribe button.